Hello, Namaste. I'm Professor Thapa and I'm the corporate CEO of Jimbu Thakali by catering. And I've been to the industry, let's say, 25 years plus, and I've worked in various positions in different organizations. So finally, I've been working with Jimbu since last, let's say, around 1 year. And recently, we had the MOU agreement with Quest College, which is, hotel management college. And as we realize, and as we all know that now there is, huge shortage, the human resource shortage in a market, local market. And when I'm talking about the human resource shortage means it's professional and quality people. So to fulfill that gap, we, Jimbu and Quest College, had done a wonderful MOU that regards to supplying students to Jimbu as a let's say as a internship, as a casual, or as a full placement, job placement. And I believe this MOU will definitely provide benefits to college as well, because the students, they'll get exposed to the hospitality industry or to the food and beverage field, and as well as we as an organization, we also get the benefit that we get the quality students who has got the hospitality background. And since I have been associated with Quest long back, their student is really very quality in terms of practically and theoretically. So I'm really looking forward to work better together with Quest College for a long time. Thank you very much.